Hey guys, hopefully this comes out here. Got this one wire set up going on here. So I got an incandescent bulb off of a step down primary on the receiver here. See if you can see in addition to the purple plasma, there's a really wild green and orangish color that's in there here. I put my hands on the top of it. It doesn't hurt at all. It starts to get a little bit warm. This is really wild. I don't know where that green is. Is there actually argon in this bulb or something? It gets a lot stronger when I have my fingers on it. The green, that is. Oh, that's getting a little warm. Get the lights to show you what we got here. So that was the receiver. Primary is all the way at the top here. This is a high voltage output from the secondary over there. It's coming across, hooking to the top of this counterclockwise coil, and the bottom is going to earth rod. And then across this, the bulb is just across the step down primary. That's all it is. I can get it to actually light up a little bit. The element will start to glow orange a little bit because there's some current going through there lighting it up. But there's some weird electrostatic effects going on with all this frosting that's falling apart. You can see it jumping around. See if I can get to do it with the camera on now. You can actually see it. I pick it up. It doesn't. It's not moving. Yeah, that focuses. As soon as I set it down, touch it to the table. You can see the Volta's Hailstorm effect going on. It's just barely doing it when it's off the table, but as soon as it has a ground, they get really active. Pretty cool, huh?